Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start by isolating the problem with clear diagnostic steps you can trust. Check GPU temperatures using a utility and note sustained readings above 90 degrees C. Inspect the PCB visually for bulging tops, leaking capacitors, or burnt components near the power phases. Remove and reseat the GPU, then test it in a different PCIe slot and on another system to rule out motherboard faults. Note GPU fan operation and listen for grinding or no-spin events before proceeding with repairs. Power down and unplug the machine before performing any physical repairs for safety. Use compressed air to clean dust from heatsinks and fans, then remove the cooler to access the GPU die. Clean old thermal paste and replace it using 1/2 gram spread evenly across the die surface. Inspect, and, if necessary, reflow solder joints with a temperature-controlled station or replace blown capacitors with exact capacitance and voltage matches. Reseat the cooler and fasten screws to manufacture. After repairs, run a 10-minute stress test such as fur mark and monitor for artifacts or crashes. Check GPU memory with a dedicated tester and run real-world games for at least 1 hour. Update drivers to the latest stable release or rollback to a previously working driver and record that working driver version. Monitor temperatures and ensure case airflow supplies roughly 20 to 30 CFM per fan to reduce hot spots and prevent future failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.